Hey everyone, and welcome to this month's Geraldton Market Update. In the rental market, we've seen a slight uptick in the supply level, with currently 81 properties available for lease as it stands today. The highest priced property is a 4-bedroom home on Glendenning Road in Tarcoola Beach, listed for $850 per week. And the cheapest property available for rent right now is in Rangeway on Scott Road, which is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom at only $300 per week. Over the last 30 days, our property management division has been able to lease 10 properties. 3 of those properties have been at an amount of $750 a week across Wandina, Wagrikine and Sunset Beach. During that time, we registered 465 tenancy inquiries online. We hosted a total of 29 open for inspections and met 118 different prospective tenants across that period. One thing to take away from those core numbers is that whilst the supply level is up slightly, there is still a huge amount of demand for rental properties in our market, so I don't think the market is changing in any way from a rental perspective. All the recent chatter has been around the government changes to capital gains tax and the changes to negative gearing. In the immediate short-term effect, we've seen that investors and typically buyers agents who have been really heavy in our marketplace for some time have started to pull back on the market slightly. Now, it doesn't mean that they're not buying in the marketplace or they don't have any interest anymore. There's just certainly a wait and see mentality as a lot of their clientele starts to pull back and see what happens as these changes start to affect the property markets across Australia in its entirety. Over the course of the next 12 months, as we approach July 2027, which is that potential for the capital gains tax increase to come into effect, I think we'll see an increase in the number of property owners that are looking to sell those properties. There are a lot of different investment opportunities across Australia, whether it's the share market or putting money inside of your bank account. You can get that at 6% currently, where the returns are actually quite strong. And so for someone to hold an investment property for the long term, they've got to be able to get a really significant return on their investment. So I think because of that, we'll see an uptick in the number of people that actually look to sell and offload their properties if the returns aren't as positive and outweigh the risk that comes with holding onto an investment property in any marketplace. In some company news, we're thrilled to welcome Trish Longva to the Realmark team. Trish brings with her over 2 decades of real estate experience and deep-rooted connections into the Geraldton community. Thanks so much for joining us on the Geraldton Market Update. If you need any assistance from a real estate perspective, contact Realmark on 9197 2600.